Expression of Interest (EOI) for the identification of the permanent landfill site for Jowai town. Informing this, Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Department, Singh Bhalangdhar, said the decision to float a new CEOI was taken into consideration as the department is not satisfied with the plots of land which have been proposed for the landfill site, since it is not feasible and also not up to the mark. He reminded that the department had floated advertisements and interested landowners had submitted their applications.
I have floated an EOI for the last few months before election, so it seemed the applicant which we had been received, the land which has been submitted is not up to the mark. So I think this week I'll go for a fresh application for the interested landlord to offer that. An inspection has been gone for different places. Some place is not feasible. That is the reason. So it seems we have to go for the fresh EOI next week. That's the plan. So I'm trying to locate a new landfill. And it's a challenge. It's not so easy for the new landfill. So that's why we are on the job to acquire a new one.